Hello student, welcome back to VEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmiti. So today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 7, nervous system and sense organs. Okay, this is very interesting chapter, and so first we have to understand what is nervous system. Okay, what is nervous system? So basically, as if I have to, if I will explain, I have to write with the pen. Okay, I have to write any answer with the pen. So first, what you do, you just think to open your notebook, to pick up a pen, to write. Okay, first you think before doing this. So when you think, then only your hands will start working to take your book, to open your book, to keep the uh, open keep the notebook open, and also take the pen for writing. Means before start doing any action, first you have to think. So have you ever think how this all the functions of our body is working? Means before doing any function, first we think, then same thing, or the same actions our hands or legs or our body start working, how it is working. So for this we have the answer. We have a nervous system in our body. Okay, we have a nervous system in our body which control all our actions and body functions. Okay, so what is a nervous system? Means uh, all our actions and body functions are controlled by a special system which is known as a nervous system. Means we have a nervous system which control all our action and body function. Now if we will talk how, what is our nervous system made up of? What is our nervous system made up of? So the answer would be basically our nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, as in the picture you can see, this is the nervous system. In the nervous system, we have our brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, so what happened, uh, whenever our sense organs, we all know then about the sense organs of our body. So whenever our sense organs receive any information from our surrounding, as I have I have given you the example to write any answer. So first you get the information that you have to start writing. So these information first passes to the spinal cord. Okay, this information goes to the first spinal cord, then brain. Okay, through the spinal cord this information will go to the brain, then the spinal cord and brain respond to the information. Okay, first they will get they will receive the information, then after receiving the information, brain and spinal cord respond to the information, and after responding, our sense organs, our body start functioning according to the information. Okay, now next topic we have, that is neuron. Okay, so neuron is basically a nerve cell, or we can say the unit of nervous system. Okay, this is the new unit of nervous system, and also it is the longest cell of our body. Okay, neuron is the longest cell of our body, and it is a uh, unit of nervous system. Basically what happened, cells within the nervous system, that is called neuron, communicate with each other in unique ways. Okay, and basically the neuron is the basic working unit for the brain, and it is especially designed to work with according to the brain or spinal cord. So this neuron consists cells body and nucleus and axon. The function of basically axon, it is attached with our body structure and it communicate. Okay, it communicate with the information which is receiving from the mouth and going to the mouth. So axon is basically communicate with the brain and our other body parts. This is the function of axon. Okay, axon basically communicate and or we can say it passes information from brain to other parts or other parts to brain. So this is the uh, cells of a nervous system which is called as a neuron, and this neuron is the longest cell of our human body, and it consists cell bodies which is also attached with the our brain and spinal cord, and this neuron consists a nucleus. With the help of this the nucleus we get some electrical impulses, so by which we receive or we receive the information from the mind, and after receiving the information or electrical impulses from the mind, our body parts will do the same things. Okay, now in the next video we will learn about our brain. Till thank you.